born. Power up, a new dawn. So raise a cup.
Ching! Okay guys, samahan niyo ako i-build tong mga product na to na sobrang solid. So excited na ako. Sana excited din kayo. Samahan niyo ako hanggang dulo. Meron akong sorpresa. Let's go! Alright guys, so let's start with our video card from NVIDIA Pilot GeForce RTX 3060 Ti Gaming Pro OC 8GB. And we also have our NVMe from XPG Spectrix S40G. And we have our memory card XPG Spectrix D60G. And we have, of course, our processor from Intel. We have here Intel Core i5 11500 LGA 1200 11th Gen. And for our motherboard, we have Z590i from Valkyrie BioStar. And we have here from XPG again, our power supply, Pylon 750 watts bronze. And we have our fan, which is Vento Pro 120 PWM cooling fan from XPG. And we have our chassis here from XPG Starker RGB ATX mid-tower white.
So make a choice, blades and laser beams. Run, chase or fight, do anything you dream. But when the lines are drawn, you gotta pick a team. We lay it down, we play it straight.
Alright guys, salamat sa pagsama. Ngayon susubukan na natin ang ating PC build. Lalaruin natin ang Assassin's Creed Valhalla. And the performance is so awesome. So check this out. And sa tulong ng ating dalawang 8GB memory card from XPG, total of 16GB, 3200 MHz DDR4. Napaka-smooth ng transition natin sa mga games natin, mga lodi. And syempre guys, try din natin siya sa Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. And the performance, the details is so crispy. Let's go! At sa pag-render naman ng game, napakalaking tulong ng ginawa ng XPG Spectrix S40G and the 2280 PCIe
Capture the objective.
Gen 3x4.
Securing Alpha. Taking Bravo. Securing Bravo. B secured. We've pulled ahead.
Sa ating XPG Valorant Showdown with Marge. Naman tong XPG natin, gumawa tayo ng isang PC build from XPG. Nakikita ko pre, nasa 300 plus. Pag po 400 yung FPS ko, never ko to na-achieve sa luma kong PC.
Oo, nakikita ko nga.
Kita mo yan? 400 FPS, oh.
Oh no!
Pati
Very good.
pati buhok ni Reyna dito, kitang-kita. Yung FPS guys, sa mga hindi nakakaalam yan, yung frame rate per seconds ng linalaro natin.
Iba,
So,
iba, XPG,
kapag pag the more mas mataas, mas maganda yung bato ng ng FPS kasi pag lumalabas yung kalaban, pag mababa FPS mo, delay yung tingin mo sa monitor mo.
Pati
Pero
yung
pag
bala, diba?
pati yung bala delay. Pero pag gumalaw siya, nag-pick siya ng ganun, mas mabilis yung rendering, mas accurate yung barrel mo dun.
Respawn, power up, a new dawn. So raise a cup, level done. The crowd erupts, lead the board. It's never luck. So make a choice, blades and laser beams. Run, chase or fight, do anything you dream. But when the lines are drawn, you gotta pick a team. We lay it down, we play extreme.
Thank you so much guys sa mga nanood sa aming showdown with Margie. Follow natin yung page ni Ate Margie and syempre ni XPG Philippines for more events na magaganap pa and more giveaways. Thank you Palette and Palette GeForce RTX 3060 Ti. Thank you and sa ating BioStar na motherboard and sa mga peripherals, memory, RAM, NVMe. Thank you XPG so much. Napaka-solid ng PC niya. Thanks for this opportunity. Thank you so much XPG. You're the best. Have a good night. Thank you.